Good morning, my beautiful peeps, all my loyal subscribers and viewers. Welcome. Look at this. Today's we got a snowstorm. Wow, it's crazy. It is so crazy. Look at that. This is crazy. Peeps, it's not vegetable, it's snow. It's crazy. Ah, wow. This is what taking place in Montreal, Quebec. Snowstorm. It's a whiteout. The whole place white. Wow. It's the first time I ever stand there and you don't have a lot of car passing. So you know, it's dangerous. Everyone inside, no one is outside. Not everyone, but 90% of the human being indoor because it is so cold. And you can see the snowstorm. I never see this before. No car passing on this big main street. Look on the highway. Few cars passing. It's crazy outside. Wow. Yeah, that is where the truck, when the snow fall, like now look on the truck top, on the top of the truck, it's full of snow. So before these container leave out, the trailer have to come right here and park, and the driver have to go up there and clean off the snow before we move. Yes, that's a big ticket from the cops. They're in problem. Welcome to Canada. Look at this. This truck almost, just imagine Monday, because Saturday we're gonna have snowstorm, Sunday we're gonna have snowstorm. So if they don't remove the snow from around this truck Monday, you cannot see no tire. This side is gonna cover right here. Wow. A lot of people missing today from work. So if you're not from Canada, or if you never come to a country where they have snow, whenever you go in, prepare yourself, because it's not easy. Look at this. This truck is gonna cover with snow. It might not cover to the top, but the front, look at that.